are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you developments in the market from the previous day. This edition captures the market performance for Tuesday, July 9th, 2019. From the Nigeria Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 29,318.02 basis points with a market capitalization of 14.288 trillion naira. This means that the equity market maintained an uptrend as NSE appreciated by 0.10%, which can be attributed to the listing of Airtel Africa plc on the main board of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Cadbury, Japan Oil and Dangote Flour were top gainers, while GlaxoSmith, Cordville and ETI were among the top losers. Cornest, Zenith Bank and Guarantee Trust Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 32.56 trillion naira, while the NAFEX rate closed at 360 naira 46 kobo to a dollar, while the I&E FX rate opened at 360 naira 40 kobo to a dollar and closed at 360 naira 61 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the unlisted share index closed at 741.97 basis points with a market capitalization of 533.06 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 134,236 and the value traded 4.824 million naira in 12 deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displayed on the screen. Major highlights for the day. Airtel Africa plc yesterday listed on the main board of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, which was well received by stockbrokers and shareholders. Market players expect that Airtel Africa will drive transparency in its operations and also pay the required dividends at the end of every financial year. Seplat Petroleum Development Company has announced that it has rescheduled the capital market event at the Nigeria Stock Exchange in Lagos for analysts and investors to Friday, 12th of July 2019 at 2:30 p.m. Lagos time. On our watch list, the Nigeria Economic Summit Group will today relaunch its corporate identity at the Summit House, Ikoyi, Lagos. The NESG since inception has become the foremost private sector think tank and policy advocacy group in Nigeria, focused on partnering with the federal government to drive a viable Nigerian economy that works for the citizens. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms shown on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day.